Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto. Today we're making a low-carb recipe. Today we're making sweet and sour chicken. I got the recipe idea from Low-Carb Recipes with Jennifer, and I'll have a link below to show more. For this you'll need 4 tablespoons of avocado oil, 6 boneless chicken thighs and cut up into 1-inch cubes, a half a bell pepper cut up into 1-inch chunks, a half a yellow bell pepper cut up into 1-inch chunks, and I used a orange bell pepper. It could be any bell peppers of your choice, and you can leave them out if you don't want them, but this is a great meal for a good size snack and very healthy for you. Also, you need a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, sugar free, and then we took some broccoli, cauliflower rice rather, and then we steamed it in the microwave, and then we put it all in at the end, and then mixed everything all up. And you can see towards the end of the video was the glaze in the pan with a little bit of chicken stock. So I would encourage you, each and every one of you, to don't give up and continue to do some recipes, and and be watching for some other amazing recipes from other YouTubers and from the links they put below to show more. So go over there and support Jennifer, and and I ended up getting a couple meals out of this. I always like to make extra so I can have a meal later on in the week to stretch out the budget. And so this sort of cutting up the chicken, and over here I was just frying it up in the frying pan. But anyways, have an amazing day, and we just continue on now with just the music and the final product at the end, and have an amazing day.